Great, so I'm going to show you how the product launch funnel works. So I'm going to hit the @ button. I'm going to do some GPT stacking because I have all my information above. If you haven't seen my other videos, I'm going to reiterate really quick. You can attach your brand voice. You can attach all your offer, what it all entails. If you have a value stack, all that stuff. If you have a product you're launching, this is the best. You wanna attach all that or type it in, whichever. Once you have that information, you're going to find your GPT if you're stacking them. Otherwise, you can click right on to that GPT and do it from there. Sorry, that's the email sequencer. We got the wrong one here. If you don't know, you can start from scratch, and the GPT will ask you questions to help you. So I obviously have a product launch email funnel or GPT if anyone's interested in that. All right, let's go. There it is. All right, product launch funnel builder. And you create a product launch funnel with the info above. All right, so this is what it came up with for me. So authentic AI visibility launch. How to 3 times your reach and create authentic human sounding content with AI without burnout or tech overwhelm. So my funnel map. So I have an opt-in page, video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, and a thank you page. Okay. So the message arc, day by day video breakdown. So video 1 is there's a better way. So it gives you videos on what you should do with your videos, what should be in them. It gives you a hook, story, teach, assignment, and CTA. Okay. So we'll go over the first one. There's a better way. This is the vehicle. Okay. Shift belief that AI can sound human and scale visibility. So my hook is, what if AI could sound exactly like you and triple your reach in weeks? Okay. Story. Your epiphany. Discovering how training GPTs and Claude with authentic voice changed everything. And then the teach, introduce your AI brand voice framework. And the assignment, have them test your free brand voice GPT from your workbook funnel. And then CTA, tomorrow I'll show you how you can do this even if you're not techie. All right, so that would be my first video. And the next video is going to hit on their internal beliefs, okay? Destroy doubt and empower them. And then the third video is going to be their external beliefs. Eliminate excuses, time tools, algorithm, niche, okay? Now, the video 4 is the offer and cart open. So that is the videos, okay? It's going to give you a launching timetable, an email sequence, and text setup. So, and then sample page copy snippets, okay? All right, hopefully this helps and you're able to use this.